Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix enable to install update. So guys, if you try to install iOS 17 in your device and it's showing the error enable to install update, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. So from here guys, you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. For that, you have to tap on Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, and just simply you have to tap on this icon. Now let me tell you that you have to forget this network and try to rejoin it. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there, guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to tap on configure proxy. You have to make sure that if this is turned off, then go back from here. And after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back from here, and after that you have to open settings again, and after that you have to scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, you have to scroll it down, make sure that your date and time is also correct. So from here guys, you have to scroll it down all the way and make sure that you're not connected with VPN. And after that you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then you have to reset your network setting. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Now from here you have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone to install the latest update. If you don't have, just simply you have to delete some unnecessary apps, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Now scroll it down from here, and just simply you have to tap on general, and let me tell you that you have to delete the software update, and just simply you have to download it from official website. For that, you have to open Safari browser, and just simply you have to search for betaprofiles.dev, and you can see the iOS 17, and you have to download the iOS 17 from there, and you can easily install iOS 17 in your settings. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.